Take a ride in the 2026 Durango. This vehicle is powered by a 8-cylinder, 5.7-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: body color door handles, front license plate bracket, perimeter alarm. Inside you'll find smart device integration, trip computer, universal garage door opener, tinted glass, compass. The Durango allows you and your family to travel in style and comfort. It offers more interior room than most midsize SUVs and has an available third row of seating. Underneath are sturdy body-on-frame mechanicals and the option for a powerful V8 engine. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.